Hello, my name is Ian Wendt from Collegiate Courses, and I'm excited to share our new course, Excelling on the AP World History exam. The AP World History Modern course and framework offers students an advanced introductory survey of modern world history for college credit. To succeed in this endeavor, a student needs to pass the AP World History exam. The AP course has a teacher, textbook, numerous detailed lectures, various essay assignments, tests, and finally, the stress of the AP exam. It's understandable that at some point in the midst of all of the storytelling and diverse histories from Asia, the Middle East, Africa, Europe, and the Americas, students can get overwhelmed or lost. What knowledge and skills do you need to pass the exam? How can you organize your knowledge and respond to the questions on the exam so that you can show what you know, pass, and excel on the exam? Collegiate Courses offers an exam preparation course based on 20 years of teaching and AP World History test development and scoring experience. It provides you with a step-by-step comprehensive test preparation plan that covers all of the required knowledge and skills that can be on the exam. By following the rules of the AP World History course and exam framework, we cut the extra and focus on how to earn the points that will enable you to pass and excel on the exam. Years of past student performance on AP History exams demonstrates how most students progress from fundamental critical thinking skills to proficiency in more advanced historical reasoning skills. This course provides AP World History students and teachers with a roadmap for developing the skills to pass with a 3, earn a 4, and earn a 5 on the AP exam. A focused description of all of the required knowledge upon which the answers to AP World History exam questions are based, training and practice on all of the skills, history stimuli, and question types on the exam, and a full practice exam that parallels the rules of the exam you'll take in May. We'll train and practice on each kind of source, a wide variety of multiple choice questions, and each essay type on the AP World History exam. There are other useful resources out there for students to prepare for AP History exams. The most popular ones are produced by big corporations, but none of them can offer students the knowledge and expertise based on 9 years of writing, assembling, and scoring the AP World History exams. This online course is the best resource available for you to gain the knowledge and skills you need to be confident in passing and excelling on the AP World History exam. If you choose me as a teacher, I promise to provide you with the best materials, training, and practice to excel on the AP exam this year, based on years of unique, firsthand experience making the AP World History exam. For any exam you ever take, it's wise to learn the requirements, question types, and instructions ahead of time. Don't be surprised when you enter an exam. Be prepared, and then show what you know. My friends, please share this with any families you know with students who are studying AP History courses. The AP tests are coming up in May. My goal is to help 100 or more students excel on the AP World History exam this year. Please help me reach those students and share my unique experience and knowledge with them. Please visit us at collegiatecourses.com.